How to fix E3, aka Tower of Fantasy login status exception, error in Tower of Fantasy. 1. Check Tower of Fantasy server status. 2. Repair the game through the Tower of Fantasy launcher. 3. Play the TOF game with administrator privileges. 3. Run the following commands as admin: netshare winsock reset catalog IP reset log.txt 4. Change your TOF username. 5. Try a wired connection. 6. Terminate the game process, TOF_launcher.exe, via Task Manager. 7. Uninstall then reinstall Tower of Fantasy.